Hey there, future money-making students. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to earn some cash while you're in college or university. We all know that being a student can be financially challenging, so we've rounded up 10 awesome ways to help you make that dough. Whether you're into internships or getting creative with crafts, we've got your back. So stick around because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs on student hustles that are perfect for you. Let's get started. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you will stick to the end. 1. Paid internships. Paid internships are a fantastic opportunity for students to gain practical experience in their chosen fields while earning money. These internships are not only valuable for building your resume, but also for establishing important industry connections. They often involve tasks and projects related to your major, allowing you to apply your classroom knowledge to real-world situations. To find these opportunities, consider reaching out to your college or university's career services office, as they can provide guidance and access to internship postings from various organizations. 2. YouTube. YouTube has transformed into a platform where individuals can share their passions, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. To succeed on YouTube, you must identify your niche and consistently produce high-quality content that engages viewers. While earning money on YouTube can take time, it's possible through various income streams, including ad revenue from video views, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing partnerships with brands. 3. Digital marketing. Digital marketing offers students a flexible way to earn income while developing valuable skills. If you're proficient in areas like social media management, content creation, search engine optimization, SEO, or graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide a marketplace where you can showcase your skills and bid on projects. Building a portfolio of successful projects can open doors to more significant opportunities in the future. 4. Online teaching and tutoring. Online teaching and tutoring are accessible options for students with expertise in various subjects. You can help students worldwide by offering lessons or assistance through platforms like Teachaway. This not only allows you to share your knowledge, but also provides you with a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Tutoring can be a rewarding experience as you help others succeed academically. 5. Research assistant. Becoming a research assistant can involve a range of responsibilities, such as managing emails, organizing data, or conducting market research. These roles often require strong organizational and analytical skills. Additionally, some companies seek research assistants to participate in surveys and studies, offering compensation in return for valuable insights. Installing research apps like the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel can provide an additional source of income. 6. Bar attendant or waiter. Working as a bar attendant or waiter is a classic choice for students looking to earn money. These positions typically offer flexible hours, making it easier to accommodate your class schedule. Interacting with customers in a restaurant or coffee shop setting can improve your interpersonal skills and provide you with tips that contribute to your overall income. 7. Selling crafts on Etsy. If you have a creative flair and enjoy crafting, Etsy is a popular platform to turn your hobbies into income. You can create and sell handmade items such as jewelry, artwork, or custom crafts. Crafting can be a therapeutic and fulfilling way to spend your free time, and selling your creations on Etsy allows you to reach a global audience of potential buyers. 8. Selling used items. Selling used items is a simple and effective way to declutter your space while making extra money. You can list items you no longer need, like textbooks, clothing, electronics, or furniture, on online marketplaces such as Craigslist or social media groups. This not only clears out your space, but also puts some cash in your pocket. 9. Babysitting or pet sitting. Babysitting or pet sitting can be a rewarding way to earn money if you enjoy caring for children or animals. Many families seek responsible students to look after their kids or pets while they're away. You can start by asking friends, neighbors, or using online platforms like Care.com or Rover to find potential clients. Babysitting rates can be competitive, and responsible sitters often earn around $20 per hour or more. 10. Yard work. Offering yard work services such as gardening, lawn maintenance, or snow removal can be physically demanding but lucrative. Many homeowners are willing to pay for help with these tasks, especially during busy seasons like spring and winter. You can set your rates based on the specific job and negotiate with clients. This type of work provides a practical way to earn money while getting some exercise in the process. Balancing work and academics is key to success as a student. Carefully consider your schedule, skills, and interests when choosing a method to earn money. Success in these ventures comes from effective time management and finding the right equilibrium between your educational pursuits and your income-generating activities. Remember that your student years are not just about earning money, they're also a time for personal growth and exploration. Enjoy the journey and seize opportunities for both learning and financial gain. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.